Ready to turn your spare change into serious savings? Acorns is a brilliant way to ease into investing, but if you're serious about seeing real growth, you need a strategy beyond just the round UPS. That's what we're breaking down today, the 3 best strategies to grow your money with Acorns. First up, and this is the most critical, consistency through recurring investments. The round UPS feature is fantastic for getting started. It makes investing mindless, but small, sporadic amounts can only get you so far. The true power of Acorns comes from setting up a weekly or monthly recurring investment. We're talking about dollar cost averaging in action. By investing a set amount on a regular schedule, say $20 every Friday, you buy more shares when the price is low and fewer shares when the price is high. This takes the emotion out of investing, lowers your average cost over time, and puts you in the market consistently. That consistency is how you harness the power of compounding. Next, optimize your portfolio and risk. Acorns does a great job of recommending a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance, but you need to make sure you're truly aligned with your financial timeline. If you're young and investing for a goal 20 or 30 years away, you should probably be using one of the more aggressive portfolios, which are heavily weighted towards stocks. Sure, you'll see more short-term swings, but over decades, stocks have historically delivered the highest returns. Don't be scared by a dip in the market. Check in annually, confirm your risk setting still makes sense, and let the automatic rebalancing do its job. For long-term growth, more risk when you're young is usually the smarter play. Finally, you need to be taking advantage of all the Acorns tools. Acorns isn't just about the invest account anymore. If your employer doesn't offer a great plan, or you want another account, use Acorns later to invest for retirement with tax advantages through a traditional, Roth, or SEP IRA. And look into Acorns Earn. This feature gives you bonus investments, essentially cash back, that automatically go right into your portfolio when you shop with partnered brands. It's an easy way to inject more capital into your account without changing your budget. More money invested, more time for it to compound. So, to summarize your strategy for growth, set up those substantial, recurring investments. Choose an aggressive portfolio if you have a long time horizon. Maximize your growth with Acorns Later and Acorns Earn. Acorns makes getting started incredibly easy. Now, take these steps to make your money truly mighty. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.